Thank you for joining me today for this Yoga Brain Break. This is Yoga Brain Break 2, so if you haven't seen the first Brain Break, please check that out. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave me a comment below. What would you love to see in the next Yoga Brain Break? All right, today we're going to start in mountain pose, and we're going to do the first mudra. So take your hands and you're going to take your thumb and you're going to put it into your fist. So you make a fist. This is called the first mudra, and this is a hand movement that actually stimulates the deepest recesses of the brain. So it's really good for calming the body. It also accesses the crown chakra, which is up in your head. So anyway, so we're going to do mountain pose with the first mudra. Go ahead and you can put your hands, your palms out or to the side, whatever works for you, and just go ahead and close your eyes and just breathe deeply. We're going to do 5 full breaths. This quick brain break, for each pose we will hold for 5 breaths. On each exhalation, just let everything go. Let all the stress go. Whatever you're feeling, just let it out. Breathe deep, full, rising through the belly. The long exhale. Last one. Go ahead and release those hands. We're going to go ahead and take our feet together, and we're going to inhale our arms up. Exhale to the right. Getting a nice stretch here along the side body. Breathing deeply in through the nose, out through the nose. Holding it for 5 breaths. On your next inhale, coming up, exhale to the left. On your next inhale, coming on up. Go ahead and release that. Go ahead and take your stance back to hip width apart. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do a forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Allowing your head to just fall. Really stretching through the hips. You can do ragdoll if you want. If not, just taking that nice forward fold. Really stretching through the hips and the hamstrings and the lower back. And in your next exhale, go ahead and round on up. Bring the shoulders back and down. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do a twisted chair on the right side. So go ahead and inhale your arms up. Bring them down to hands to heart center. Go ahead and come into chair pose and turn to the right. Breathing here. Nice deep inhalations and exhalations. Excellent. Twisting forward and coming on up. We're going to do right tree. So go ahead and we're going to plant through the right foot, and you can either take your foot to your ankle, depending on your clothing that you're wearing. You can bring it up to the calf, or you can bring it up to your thigh. You do want to avoid the knee, and you can either bring hands to heart center, or go ahead and come and bring your hands overhead, holding it for the full 5 breaths. Make sure you keep your gaze on something focused in front. That will help you hold your balance. Excellent. Exhale, bring your arms down, dropping that foot. We're going to go ahead and do that on the other side. So go ahead and we will start back. Feet together, inhaling arms up. Exhale to the right. Inhaling up, exhale to the left. Inhaling arms up, taking our arms down, taking our stance back to hip width apart. Go ahead and we're going to do that twisted chair on the left side. Inhaling arms up, exhale, bring hands to heart center as we go into chair pose and twist. Excellent. Twist and come on back up. Left tree. Go ahead and plant through the left side, bringing that right foot to your ankle, your calf, or your thigh. Taking that gaze forward, bring your hands up. You can leave them at hands to heart center, or if you're ready, go ahead and extend your arms overhead. Excellent. Go ahead and release your hands and bring that foot down. We'll do healing through the chakras, and here we go. We're going to go as we come up. We're going to inhale our arms up, come up on our tippy toes. Go as high as you can and go as slow as you can. Exhale as you bring your feet slowly down and your hands all the way down. Coming all the way with your breath. Inhaling arms up, coming up on your tippy toes. Exhaling, slowly bringing your arms and your hands down at the same time. One more time. Inhaling arms up. Exhale, bringing hands and feet slowly down. Excellent. Well, I hope this brain break gave you a little bit of a break from what you were doing and got your adrenaline pumping, got your mind clear, and has brought some calm into your life. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.